Hi everyone, this is Anna and welcome back to another sewing tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sew this beautiful wool jacket. If you like to follow along with the exact pattern I'm using, head over to annathetailer.com where you'll find the ready-to-sew alley jacket pattern, available in 9 sizes. For this project, I will be using wool cashmere fabric for the outer layer and viscose for the lining. Let's get started. Start by taking the pocket pieces and flaps. Place each piece right sides together with the lining. Pin and stitch. Leave a small opening in the pocket for turning. And leave the top edge of the flap open. Trim the corners carefully. Then turn all the pieces right side out and press them flat. Next, transfer the pocket markings from the pattern onto the pocket. Top stitch the pocket openings with 1/2 centimeter top stitch, starting and ending just past the markings with the back stitch. Top stitch the flaps as well. Then press all the details again. Transfer pocket markings onto the jacket. Place the pockets on the front jacket pieces. Pin in place and stitch them down. Be sure to cover the back stitches. And press the pockets. Now place the flaps on top of the pockets, aligning the edges. Pin and stitch them down. Take the front yoke pieces and attach them to the front jacket pieces. Right sides inside. Pin and stitch. Press the seam allowance up and top stitch to secure it. Then press again. Now for the back. Pin and stitch the center back seam. Press the seam to one side and secure it with a 1/2 centimeter top stitch. Then press again. Now attach the back yoke to the back piece, right sides inside. Pin and stitch. Press the seam allowance up and top stitch. Then press again. Join the front and back pieces at the shoulder seams. Pin and stitch. Press the seam allowance towards the back and top stitch to secure. Press again. Now let's attach the sleeves. Match the sleeve center notch to the shoulder seam. Pin sleeves along the armhole. Distribute the ease evenly and stitch. Press the seam allowance up and top stitch around the armhole to secure. Press everything once more. Next, join the side seams, including the sleeve seams. Pin and stitch them together. Then press the seams open. Place the collar pieces right sides together. Pin all around, leaving the bottom edge open, and stitch. Trim the corners and excess fabric. Then turn the collar right side out using a point turner or something sharp. Press the collar and top stitch around it and 1/2 centimeter top stitch. Then press again. Pin the collar to the jacket neckline, matching center notches first, then pin outwards, stop 1 centimeter before the end of each side. Stitch the collar in place. Now for the zipper. Place it right sides together with the jacket, starting 1 centimeter from the bottom. Pin along the edge to the neckline and stitch it in using a zipper foot. Make a mark where the zipper meets the yoke seam. Then detach and pin the other side of the zipper, matching the mark. Stitch it in place. Close the zipper and check the alignment. Everything should match up. Place the front closure facing right sides together with the front lining pieces. Pin and stitch. Press the seam allowance towards the lining side. Now pin the front hem facing to the front lining, right sides together. Pin and stitch. And make a small notch where the hem meets the closure facing seam. Press that part open and turn the rest of the seam allowance up. Press everything flat. For the back lining, pin and stitch the center back seam. Then press it to one side. Attach the back hem facing to the back lining piece, right sides together. Pin and stitch. And press the seam up. Join the back neckline facing to the back lining, starting at the center notch. Distribute the rest of the seam. Pin and stitch. And then press flat. Lay the front lining on top of the back lining, right sides together. Pin and stitch the shoulder seams. Then press them open. Take the sleeve lining pieces, attach the sleeve facing at the hem. Pin and stitch. Press the seam allowance up. Attach the sleeves to the armhole in the same way as the outer jacket. Pin at the center notch and distribute the ease. And stitch. Press the seam allowance up. Now join the side seams and sleeve seams. Pin and stitch. Press the seams open. Attach the lining to the jacket closure. Pin from the bottom of the zipper up to the neckline on both sides. And stitch. Turn the seam around the zipper, match the shoulder seams and center notches, and pin all the way around. And stitch. And then trim the seam allowance and corners to reduce bulk. Match and pin the hem seams of the jacket and lining. Leave an opening for turning. Stitch all the way around, leaving the gap open. Turn the jacket right side out through the hem opening. Carefully shape and press all the corners. Let's finish the sleeves. Make sure the lining isn't twisted. Join the sleeve lining to the sleeve hem by pinning at the seams. Pull the sleeves back through the hem. Then pin around and stitch. Pull the sleeves back through the hem opening. Make a small opening in the sleeve lining. Reach through and close the hem opening by stitching it. Then close the opening in the sleeve lining as well. Now press the front closure, hem and sleeves. To finish, make half a centimeter top stitch starting from the neckline down the front closure, all the way to the hem and back up to the other side. Top stitch around the sleeve hems as well. Give the whole jacket one final press and make everything crisp and polished. And here is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you feel inspired to make this jacket yourself, visit AnnaTheTailor.com to get the Ali jacket pattern. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more sewing projects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.